fairly deep dent. Rear door, we're going to fix this with paintless dent repair. So these Tiguans can be tricky. There's a giant brace right in the middle of the door that's glued to that door skin, so sometimes you can't get to the back side of the metal. Luckily on this one, we were able to get access and we worked it out. Paintless dent repair. Came out great. No body work, no repainting. These are the tools I used. You got your ultra double bend with an octagon. R4 from Dentcraft ball tip on the end. That's what I started it with because it's a pretty deep dent. And then finish it off with a PDR Finesse 245 short. A couple knockdowns. So there you go, paintless dent repair, Volkswagen Tiguan. Good to go.